If you're trying to play Valorant but keep running into Vanguard issues, don't worry. Today I'm going to show you exactly how to properly install Riot's anti-cheat Vanguard from scratch. This process is simple, takes just a few minutes, and guarantees your game runs the way it should. So stick with me, because missing even one step can cause Valorant not to launch at all. First, we're going to make sure there are no leftover Vanguard files causing problems. Open your Start menu and search for Settings. Once you're in, click Apps on the left and then choose Installed Apps in the search bar, type Vanguard. If it shows up in your list, go ahead and uninstall it completely. If nothing appears, that just means Vanguard is already removed. Next, we'll clean out any remaining Vanguard services. Open the Start menu again and search for CMD. Right-click Command Prompt and select Run as Administrator. This step is important. In the command window, type scdelete vgc and press Enter. Then type delete vgk and press Enter again. These commands remove any old Vanguard services that could prevent a fresh install. Once that's done, close the command prompt and also make sure the Riot Games client is fully closed. Now reopen the Riot client from your Start menu sign into your Riot account if it asks you to. On the left side, click Games, then select Valorant. The client should automatically detect that Vanguard isn't installed and will prompt you to install it. All you need to do is hit the update button and the Riot client will download and install Vanguard for you. After the installation finishes, just restart your PC and that's it. Vanguard should now be fully installed, up to date, and ready to launch Valorant without any issues. If this helped you get back into the game, feel free to drop a comment and let me know. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Game on!